Hello and welcome. We are very excited to show you how to use Routine, even though keep in mind that Routine is a very flexible tool that can be used in many different ways. If I really give you a quick intro, it's basically this. Routine combines calendar, task, notes, contacts, and anything else into one very simple and beautiful tool. So here, for instance, this is what we call the agenda. It helps you focus on the day, combining the task of the day, the events of the day, and that's it. The calendar is a full-fledged calendar. You can use it to schedule meetings, you can really do whatever you want with it. And on the left-hand side, you've got the task of the week. Why task of the week? Because whenever you plan a task, as I'm going to show you here, you can pick a day or pick a week. If you select a day, it will show up in the day in question in the agenda. If you pick a week, it will be next to your calendar for you to plan your week. So if I select next week, this task has disappeared from the current day and is visible next week. As simple as this. Now, also Routine is great at taking notes. Notes on anything. If you want to take meeting notes, you can. If you want to take notes on someone, you can. If you want to take notes on a page, so basically anything else, work-related, hobby, whatever you want, it is also possible. And as you can see, in your notes, you can create tasks. So if you want to say, I don't know, go diving, you can do that. And you could say, I want to do this, I don't know, in 4 weeks or whatever. And that way you will be reminded because the task will show up here in 4 weeks, as you can see here. So basically combining all of those things in one tool means that you don't have to switch from one tool to the next. Everything is consistent in one tool. But also Routine comes with very quick actions for you to remember everything without losing focus. More specifically, the dashboard, which you can basically open anywhere on your desktop in a fraction of a second. This dashboard summarizes the task of the day, the events to come, and you have one console, as we call it, to quickly capture something. So if you want to remember to do something, let's say call John, that's it, you can do that, and the task will end up in your inbox along with the meetings that you need to enter, the notes that you need to write about, and the tasks that you need to plan. But if you want, you can also use natural language, so you could say call, I don't know, Sophie on Friday, and that's it. This task is going to be planned for Friday. If I go to Friday, you will see the task, which is tomorrow. So again, combining everything into one tool, but also bringing data from your other tools, because you can connect your different services and apps so that that data comes into Routine so you can manipulate it, enrich it, take notes, etc., without again having to switch between different tools. Hope you like it. Thank you.